Here at Equipment Deals, we have this Cat 336 GC. We're out here in Lufkin, Texas. Pretty nice unit, guys. Got really good hours on it. You know, half these hours that are on the machine are just idle hours, sitting there waiting for something to do. As far as the full machine, it's got about, you know, the full total hours is around 8,000. We'll get inside the cab and show you the full total hours. It's around 8,000. Idle hours around 4 and operating hours around 4. So half the time this item has sat idling, waiting for a job to do. Most likely was sitting on a pipeline, installing pipeline into the ground, and that's what its whole job did. So we'll give you a quick little operations here and a quick inspection video. Let you see this unit, guys. It's as clean as it looks. So this unit has a manual thumb on it. It is not plumbed for Ox hydraulics, as you can see, but it does have the plumbing for a quick coupler if you were to put a quick coupler on this unit. None of the cylinders are leaking or have any seepage of any sort. All the packings are tight on this unit. It's got a 55-inch bucket, obviously with a smooth face on it, on those teeth. It's got the 4-shank manual thumb on it with a 2-position pin. Nice setup there. Nice straight boom. No cracks anywhere to be found. These cylinders are also tight. No seepage, any leaking of any sort. There you go. 336 GC. Go ahead and do a quick walk around, go to the undercarriage as well. On this side, they installed a new rail on this side, and it looks like they put new track pads on it also. Guys, it's clean as it gets. As you can see, it hasn't worn into these pins yet, which is you know, the first part that goes when these things get some hours on them, as they start wearing into these pins. As you can see, this is a fresh Cat rail that was installed. But again, this thing only has 4,000 operating hours. The rest are idle. Sprockets have good life as well. Go ahead and open the side here. You see these this cooling bank. As you can see, everything's in good order. All the coolant looks clean and there's no contamination in there. Nice straight sheet metal on the side. Come around the back here. You know, it has the normal scrapes that you'd find on a 300 size unit like this. Come on this side, guys, and we'll go to this pump here. As you can see, this pump's in great shape. There's absolutely no seepage, no leaking coming from any of the seals or any of the hoses of any sort. Everything's tight and it's clean and sealed up. Original Cat filters all around it. The def unit, not been def deleted. Nothing's been screwed with. Come to this side, undercarriage on this side just as nice as the other side. As you can see, the pins are nice and round. Got good life left on these grousers also, and these pads. We got, looks like we got, call that 31.5-inch pads, guys. I don't know if they call those 32s, but 31.5-inch pads. Our total width here is going to be, let's get a measurement on that for you guys. Total width's going to be 11 foot 1 inches on that. 11 foot 138. So 1 3/8 is what it is. Call it 11 foot 1, guys. 11 foot 1 on the width on this unit. Need a good sized low boy to carry this unit. We'll go ahead and hop in the cab here. real quickly, show the hours, then we'll hop into the engine compartment, show that. Nice clean cab on it, guys. The seat's not all torn up from someone getting in and out of it. So must have had a really good AC day in this unit. We'll go ahead and come into the performance section here. We'll show the voltage, the speed, hydraulic oil temp, all those things. Current total hours, guys, is what you guys want to see. All right, so engine's got 8229 total on it. Total operating hours is 8230 and a half. Hydraulic pump, there you go. Travel motors, there's 823 hours on the travel motors. Swing motors, 2700. And then total idling time, guys, you got 4,027 total idling time. And we've run 32,000 gallons through this unit. Guys, that's not a lot of idling time. It's not a lot of operation time either. So 4,000 total operating hours on this unit, guys. The rest of the time has been spent idling. So 4,000 idle hours, and the rest has been operating hours. So it's half and half on this unit, guys. It's pretty rare to find that. Anyway, 2-speed tracks, they do work. We will show that. You're set up to run your quick connect or your hydraulic tools. It also has a straight pedal if you want to just run straight without having to run each track. So that's got that set up as well. It's also got the cameras as well, guys. You can also change operators if you wanted to also, and select different operators on this unit. Now we'll go ahead and run over to the engine side here and show the engine. There's the valve bank, guys. It does not have a port, from what I'm seeing, for an external aux auxiliary. But if there is one, please go ahead and let me know. As you can see, there's no aux auxiliary going up on the boom here or running to the stick, but the 2 lines for the quick coupler are running there. All right, here's our engine, guys. We'll go ahead and pull this cap off so there's no blow by of any sort. Quick check. No contaminations on this cap. Everything inside looks good. Good oil pressure. Good oil circulation on top of this head. Everything's running good there. That oil is clean as a whistle. This unit's not been screwed with. All the def is still there. It's not been def deleted. There you have it. All the sheet metal up top here has not been molested or damaged in any way. No leaking from this swing motor. Overall, guys, this thing's in good shape. Nice clean sheet metal. None of these cylinders are leaking. I will say there is a little bit of a boo-boo right here on this step. Again, here's our cylinder number plate again. And there you have it, guys. Cat 336 GC. Next gen unit, guys, and it's as clean as it gets, guys. There's your inspection video. Now we'll go ahead and get you quick operations video as well. So go ahead and take the time and check that out also on this unit. If you're interested in this unit, it's located here in Lufkin, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.